If you've ever used a booking tool like Calendly, you probably know the feeling. It works, but it looks kind of plain. It doesn't really say anything about you or your business. So I checked out a tool called Lunacal, and it's trying to fix exactly that. At its core, Lunacal is a scheduling tool. People can book meetings with you, pick a time, and everything gets synced with your calendar. Pretty standard so far. But where it feels different is how the booking page actually looks and works. Instead of a simple calendar link, you can turn your booking page into something that feels more like a mini website. You can add your story, videos, testimonials, even social links. So when someone lands on your page, they're not just picking a time, they're actually getting to know you a bit. And that's kind of the main idea here. It's not just about scheduling, it's about making a better first impression. Another thing I liked is how much it handles automatically. You can set reminders, collect custom information before the meeting, and even manage different types of bookings like one-on-one calls, group sessions, or even paid meetings. It also works well if you're part of a team. You can assign meetings to different people, or even let the system rotate bookings between team members, which saves a lot of manual work. Now, to be fair, this isn't just a simple plug-and-play tool. If you want to really make use of all the features, you'll need to spend some time setting things up. There are a lot of options, and it can feel a bit much in the beginning, but once everything is set, it actually feels pretty smooth. From what I've seen, this tool makes the most sense if you're using booking links for business, like if you're a consultant, a coach, or running a small agency. Because in those cases, your booking page is kind of your first impression, and Lunacal really focuses on improving that. So overall, Lunacal feels like more than just a calendar tool. It's trying to turn a simple booking link into something that actually helps you get more clients. If you just need a basic scheduler, this might feel like too much. But if you care about how you present yourself when someone books a call with you, then this is definitely worth checking out.